box set at the thrift store a couple weeks ago, $25, and it is a 1981 set. Yeah, 1981. And yeah, another interesting thing about the set is called the technical set. You can sort of see a lot of these are Technic pieces. So before they called it Technic, it was sometimes called technical set or expert builder. And this is an interesting piece from the early days. Also note that this is a Canadian edition because it was imported by Samsonite. So early on in Lego days, Samsonite was the one who imported and distributed Lego in Canada for a while. So nice kind of piece, a little bit of interesting history, and the box is in really great condition. I'll sort of show you that. A little bit of edge wear, but for what is it, 42 years old, 44 years old, pretty good. See, it's taped here. I'm gonna remove those with a hairdryer, but I'll do that off camera because the hairdryer is really noisy. But I mean, all in all, really good shape for a box this old. It's got some edge wear, but nothing crazy. Really nice. Cute little helicopter too. I have no idea, so I haven't opened this. I have no idea how many of the pieces are there. Like if I were to say, it feels a little light, but could have the pieces there. Could have completely different pieces. I have no idea. All right, so I will, off camera, use a hairdryer to try and get these off without damaging the box. And when I'm done, we'll open it up together. Yeah, so I got it off mostly okay, but I did have a bit of a mishap here. It's better if they're not taped at all, but here came off almost perfectly. There's still a little bit of glue residue, and here it came off maybe a little bit. Looks a little bit more than shelfware, but have it off. It's free now. Ooh, and I see, just by looking, it's, oh wow. It's still got all of the plastic, and it looks like the parts are sorted the way they would have been had it come brand new. This is just beautiful. Yeah, it definitely looks like there's all the pieces there. I can't see, you know, if you kind of look at the chopper there, it looks like there's enough beams. It looks like there's enough of Technic axles and the other connectors. Looks just perfect. Do we have these things? I think we do. That is just amazing with the plastic insert. I'm not sure if this comes out. There's instructions down there. If this plastic insert is stuck in here, I don't want to, oh, it does. I think I can't avoid pulling it out if I want to get to those, unless I just want to make sure it's not stuck in there somehow. But this is even better than I anticipated. It's even a little, this is a space computer, but it looks like they used it for the thing. Oh, and it's got this little chain piece that must be for driving the chopper blades. Those chain pieces are not super common. Wow, so this is in just, I mean, it could get more pristine than this, but you're not going to see that. And instruction book. Also fantastic condition. Some alternate models at the back. I'd have to double check, but I'm pretty sure. I see at the bottom, there are actually a little flap, and even some of the, this looks like it's a Lego newsletter from a similar era. Oh no, it's just a catalog. But it's got the original catalog and a Lego envelope in it. Oh, this is just in beautiful condition. Just absolutely gorgeous. And this is the, I don't know if I've seen this catalog before. I should have. It's the 1981 English and French. Yeah, and these sets, I mean, it's not worth this set's not worth a ton of money. People like sets with minifigures better, but I mean, for $25 to get a box set, Lego set in this condition, oh, classic space. Oh, this was my childhood, was classic space. That, yeah, it's super, I cannot complain. I'm super happy with that deal. I just like, it's got everything, all the inserts, the plastic, really nice condition. I am super thrilled with that. Yeah, so that's my find of, you know, for the last several months. And as I've already said, super happy with it. Actually, looks like there's a place to put the Technic wheels in, like maybe these fit here or something like that. That's kind of cool, but they're not. They're all in this thing. So I could look up online and see how it came when it was first released. Someone must have an unboxing video somewhere. I don't think that these were unstuck. I'm pretty sure this came off easy. I could watch the video and find out, but wow, nice find. I love Lego of this age and this vintage. That's right in the timeline that I would have been playing with Lego. So fantastic. If you're interested, if you found this video interesting, please like and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.